Number 23, a bag A and bag B each contain red sweets and yellow sweets. Okay, Anna pick a sweet at random from bag A, Ben pick a sweet at random from bag B. The probability that Anna pick a red sweet is 2 over 5. The probability of Anna and Ben both pick a yellow sweet is 1/10. Okay, so before that, okay, we put find the probability that Anna and Ben both pick red sweet. So we have Anna and Ben. Bag A, bag B. Anna pick random from bag A, so just put here A. So Anna pick red sweet. So it's either be 2 over 5. This is red. And this is yellow. Yellow will be 3 over 5. Now put here. This is red. This is 2 over 5. And yellow is, the balance is 3 over 5. Remember, probability should be equal to 1. Okay. Then for bag B, Ben pick random. We have no idea what is a R, what is a yellow. But they give you Anna and Ben both pick a yellow sweet. Okay, so if you want to pick yellow, pick a yellow sweet. Okay, in order to get yellow, is so Anna and this is Ben. Time the Ben is 3 over 5 time unknown is equal to 1 over 10. Okay, so we put here as Y, the yellow sweet for bag B. So Y should equal to 1 over 10 over 3 over 5. You should get 1 over 6. Calculate. Therefore, this is yellow is 1 over 6, and this should be 5 over 6. Now, okay, find the probability that Anna and Ben both pick red sweet. Okay, so this is both yellow. Okay, so it both red should be red and red. So Anna is 2 over 5 times this is 5 over 6. It should be equal to 10 over. And to simplify, you can simplify 1. This is 1 and 3. Okay, so you get 1 over 3. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your study. If this is your first time, so do subscribe for more tricks and step-by-step solution as well as answering strategies. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.